Okay, it be like say Dr. Oyeniyi don't come back. Like I throw back to Dr. Oyeniyi. Dr. Oyeniyi, they hear me?
So there are a lot of things that tobacco smoking has to do with. It's one of the major preventable causes of morbidity and mortality in Nigeria. Now it has an increase, it has an association with cardiovascular diseases and cancers. Now people where they smoke, they get their own way smoking they do for them body. Person where they smoke, you get person when they smoke, they call that one passive smoking or secondhand smoking. Precious, they hear me?
They hear you well, very well.
Yeah, they call that one secondhand smoking. Now, what is secondhand smoking? They call that one passive smoking or environmental tobacco. Now two things where they make those things together. Environmental smoking. Now, the cigar, when you take it, when you light your cigarettes, that smoke where they come out end. Now they call side stream smoke. You understand what I'm saying? The one where they pop out after you take a drag. Now they call mainstream smoke. Now mainstream smoke and side stream smoke together, they call them passive smoking or environmental tobacco smoking. Now, they cause, why are they put mouth for this matter, where they pay me for body? People when know they smoke, where they with people where they smoke, they too they go benefit from the health hazards of tobacco. How?
Oh.
Now, can you hear me?
Very well, they talk.
When somebody smokes, when you smoke and you take a drag out, naturally, the air, the smoke should ascend because it's supposed to be lighter than air. But the thing about cigarette smoking is heavier than air and it cools faster. So as it's ascending, it's descending. So what happens is that if I'm smoking around people, what I'm releasing stays in middle air, at the level of the middle air. So everybody is inhaling what I'm smoking. They are breathing it. Unlike hot hair, when you put off kerosene stove, you need to wait the smoke go up. You go see as they go up. But cigarette smoke, not they do like that too. It stay for air. So person when they puff out, go they share other people. Plenty yama things they inside the smoke. Plenty way no good for body. Plenty yama things they smoke. Now the things what things that we know that for cigarette smoking, the major thing is primary prevention, not even starter. So because you say you don't want to do it again, it will take time. We'll talk that one later. Now, what are the things that cause smoke? Now, number one, social traffic factors, social status, and environmental factors too. Is it available, accessible? Is it affordable? Do we have cigarettes in our society? Now, for tobacco use, is it a thing? Siblings, peer and siblings, then what is the impact of parents when as regards, smoking and tobaccos? Now, from there, also go to external factors. External factors, people have low self-esteem, poor image, Then refusal, when you have power, person give you cigars, make you say, don't get up, smoke. You understand? So these are factors that you can modify, you can change. Impact. What are the impacts it will have on health? Cigarettes has impacts on the heart. A lot of things about environmental pollution and all that. So apart from that, now I'll move to to diet. Now we not fit to remove that one because for Christmas period, food go berekete.
Where?
And we don't cook at home. What we go out, go shop. Now these foods that we buy at fast foods, they are foods that contain lots of saturated fat. That fat not be better fat at all. Now yama fat. You go get cholesterol. Cholesterol, good for body. You get two types of cholesterol. The HDL, the LDL. LDL no good at all. Now you go get salt. Salt too plenty for body, no good. You understand? Then it is low in fiber. What you talk?
I say we know say STI, all those ones them and people wey be say they do unprotected sex. No say that one a matter wey be say they suppose they careful about. So if we just touch light the behavior then we suppose promote better health this period as we celebrate. You hear me, Dr. Oyeniyi? Hello? Okay, it be like say network don't come off for corner again. He don't talk Edewor hear him. He talk say you know, we go group, dirty December, one babe, 5 girls, you know, all of those things then. Alpha, last, how many sickness you don't carry a souvenir for body and all of that.
She break down the things where we not supposed to do based on the drinking, the smoking, the dieting.
The food, dieting, we they come out for body where
down now the time for us to the chop, but it gets what she talk. Say the kind food where you chop, say they very important. Because this period, you go just the chop every. Be thinking, say, no wahala, now the celebration we did. But it dey harmful to your body also. So a lot of people, they neglect the food part. Say, you see, just day.
She made mention of one thing where be like, say, you don't turn the norm, you don't turn part of our social aggrandizement. I don't know how to talk about it. But
like
we don't see and now say, if you be like say they follow the trend. You go they want one, which is fast food joint. You know, say she specifically talk about that and say most of their food where they cook there, the high level of cholesterol, it is very harmful to us. But now you go talk to a young lad, take me go eat tree now. May you go buy me those.
Better group be that.
For not to say not bad, but not turn them to habit to be say every day now you just want to eat. Nothing bad this I bet. Some people don't turn out to say for morning, no. Afternoon.
So most young men, they go
next door. Then they sleep the house, they order. This past Friday don't make it easy. Then they order food from
for some situations now. With the kind of lifestyle where you live for Lagos, where you are on the move at every time. You dey on the move. You wake up early morning. You dey go work. You don't dey office. You sure you won't cook for office?
By the time it start to affect you, you go talk say na your mood where you dey na make you.
They sell fruit. They sell salad. They sell other things. Why you don't fit chop the one wey go better for
everybody? They sell that things
people where they chop salad, they do bricklayer work. How you go chop salad do bricklayer work? You dey whine me.
That's why
wetin salad won't do for your body now. How you won't carry block?
Say salad.
You say they chop salad, yeah, na salad. If they chop fruit, wetin fruit won't do for your body when they do bricklayer, they do.
How you talk the thing?
Dr. Oyeniyi follow us put mouth for that matter. She don't talk outline all the risky behaviors and what is good for us. She talk about drinking, smoking, eating food when no they healthy, and she can't talk about people where be say that they touch light without rubber. Plus the one way be say that they exchange. It be like the one that don't talk about exchanging that partner. I can't remember our entertainment industry. You know, so it be like we circulate for inside entertainment industry. They circulate the same partner up and down.
One question you won't ask her last before the team go off. The bottom line, the answer to that question is just abstinence. Just strike a balance. If you not fit stop, strike a balance. Then come on your body totally for
come on body job. Come on body job. All right, so she be want to tell us habit them when they promote good behavior. Or of course, you don't know say na opposite of this other ones.
The opposite.
Plus, including say you go carry exercise, jump body with that one. You go promote better behavior. Thank you so much, Dr. Oyeniyi. If you hear us, network don't let us make we hear you finish. And that one, I will go wrap up the show this morning. To everybody we don't join us, make it be say.
I think we still one day small.
One day.
I just think.
See when? See Christmas Day.
I just think I'm ready for my Christmas
Day.
I don't carry my Christmas hat. Say, oh yeah, celebration all the way. Now I tell us say one close. I don't understand. Are you taking me to go and eat?
Why did you like this?
Is there
to fast food? To fast food?
Anywhere.
When the doctor we don't get excuse. We don't get excuse. Fast food is not good.
It's not good. Wait. Amala joint now fast food.
I say Mama put join them. Every Mama put on the firewood no different.
The firewood they come out the calories. That's the person talk say I make it when they say yam contain a lot of calories. This is I make a like pound them. I beat out all the calories.
Look at that.